Hey guys, welcome to Adobe Masterclass tutorial. My name is Gabriel Showale and I'm the CEO of Kayshow Concept. Today I'm going to show you how you can creatively blend two images together to give you a new and unique image. Yes, so right here I have the first image here, which is a city background. I have another image here, which is a sky background, and I have a new canvas opened up right here. This is 1200 by 1200 pixels, and we are going to be blending these two images using the power of layer max. Yes, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring in both images into this blank canvas, and then we are going to use layer max to blend both images together. All right, so I'm going to drag and drop my city background into my empty canvas first. I'm going to drop it right there. I'm going to press Ctrl minus and Ctrl T to be able to adjust the size. So I'm going to leave it somewhere around here. It's fine. Press enter to confirm that. Next, I'm going to bring in my sky background into the canvas again, and I'm going to drag that up. Press Ctrl T, Ctrl minus to zoom out, and reduce it a little bit and put it somewhere right here. So what I want to do eventually is to remove this sea level area of the image and just have this dark cloud alone left in this image, and I want to blend it with the image under it. Okay, so I'm going to name this, double click to name it. I'm going to name it sky. I'm going to double click on this to name this sky 2. Okay, sorry, I'm going to name this city. Okay, and name this sky. All right, so the next thing I want to do is to create a layer mask on the sky background. To do that, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to select the layer mask icon. Now you can see a layer mask has been created there. To remove this part of the image, all I need to do is to grab a black brush and start painting. Okay, right now I have a white brush set here and black at my background, so I'm going to switch it using this arrow here to switch. So I have a black brush on top now and my brush is active. So I'm going to increase the size of my brush by tapping the close bracket key on my keyboard, and I'm going to start painting. Make sure your brush is in normal, your opacity is in 100, and you're using a soft round brush. Okay, so let's dive in. So I'm just going to click and drag to begin to erase this part off. And as I do that, you can see the way the image under starts appearing, and it's simple guys, very simple guys, and that's it. I have both image blended together. All I need to do is to do a little bit of some color correction on this sky background on top to fit and to match the city background beneath it. So to do that, I'm going to select my sky background. I'm going to go to my image adjustment. Let me use hue saturation. Oops. So I'm using hue saturation for that. And I'm going to choose, I'm just going to desaturate the image a little bit so it blends with the image under. So I'm going to reduce my saturation and watch my image as I do that. So around this point makes sense, so I'm going to leave it there. Now I have a totally brand new image from what we had initially. So this is how I blended these two images together to give me this background. With this background, you can use this for a lot of things. You can use it for your album cover, you can use it for your design, you can use it for a poster, creatively use it for anything you want to do. All right, so this is where we wrap up today's tutorial on Adobe Masterclass, and you want to make sure that you follow us on all of our social media handles. I'm going to leave the link in the description. You're going to be getting more of these tutorials from Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and After Effects. My name is Gabriel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.